The Commission is aware of the limited time to conduct a fresh presidential election in strict adherence to the Constitution and the relevant electoral laws. We urge the Supreme Court to issue the full judgment expeditiously to allow us to have a full understanding of the areas of focus as we prepare a timetable for the fresh presidential election.
Riu riumaritana ria kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka guku bururi-ini kurumira itua ria igoti ikaru ria gutafanio weru wa githurano kia president guku bururi-ini. Itongoretio ni muikariri giti wayo Wafula Chebukati, kamiti ino ni yugite ni gutafania mogaruruku kuri maabitha ayo na ikoria ruhonge rwa utuiria guku bururi-ini guthuthuria maabitha aya.
To protect the integrity of the sovereign will of the Kenyan people, the Commission intends to make internal changes to our personnel and processes as we prepare for the fresh presidential election in 60 days.
Chebukati ni ugite kamiti ino ni kugia na giikaro gia kubanga ikinya riria megutacukia niguo gutigirira ni matafania githurano kio president hatari mihinga o yothe.
The Commission invites the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution to urgently and expeditiously investigate and prosecute any of our staff that may have been involved in violation of the Election Offences Act.
Ona kuri o uguo ni uritia Kenya marumie thayo na wetereri riri marehaririria gutafania githurano kingi.
Ni kinya riria riakorwo rigitacukio ni maabitha kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka guku bururi-ini kurumirira itua ria igoti ikaru, na ho kamiti ino yauga ni guikara thi imenye makinya maria gutacukia na yatiterithia ati noyo ikanyita itemi hari kurugamira ithurano cia president rita ria keri. Gitenderithiria Kameme TV, Njeta Kamau wa Mwangi.